I'm going to introduce you to some of the fillers I use. It is very confusing to go through every single filler out there. And what I mean by filler is what I put under the skin to lift or plump up, for example, lips or folds or lines or parts of the face. And it's amazing what we have today from even a few years ago. There are so many options out there. What you will have when you come to sit down with me is really my ability to help you sort of navigate through all the bewildering number of fillers out there, and I do many of them. And I always look at this as like a carpenter. If I have more tools, I have a better capacity to help you. I have more tools to really be able to deliver the specific aesthetic result you're looking for. And I don't want to go through all my fillers, but I do want to emphasize a few things that are so very important. Number one, when you come to me, you don't feel discomfort. I want to really emphasize that to you. If you've had experience in the past which it was just simply unbearable for discomfort, you won't have that. I use a mini block, and you don't even feel my block go in. There is no pain, there's no burning, there's no needles, no discomfort. And that's very, very important. I want to touch briefly upon the different fillers that I use. Restylane and Juvederm are the hyaluronic acid family. They are a wonderful filler that are actually reversible. And they also allow me to achieve a nice augmentation in all the areas that I'm usually needing to fill, for example, the smile lines or the lips. Radius is another filler which is really quite remarkable for deeper fills, for people that have a little loss of volume and they're not quite ready to have fat grafting or a procedure of that nature. That really allows me to get a wonderful augmentation of the cheeks, for example, or around the area right in front of the jowl, the area that hangs, and it sort of temporarily smooths out that jawline. All of that is temporary. I do use a filler called silicone. And silicone is what is called off-label, meaning that it is perfectly legal to use. However, it's something that the doctor must discuss with the patient, and which I always do with you. And what silicone I like the best is for lip enhancement. It really is so soft and gentle, and you really don't feel any product in your lips. And all my results are really, truly remarkably natural.